friends, welcome to another Throw It Out Thursday video. So I am so happy that I'm finally able to get up on a Thursday. The past 2 Thursdays didn't work out so well for me. It was up like during the weekend. So I'm glad I was able to get this video done and ready on Wednesday to have it up on Thursday. So I'm so happy and I'm so grateful that Rachel from LiveLaughLoveMommy has been so patient with me. So thank you, Rachel. And as you guys know, Rachel and I do a Throw It Out Thursday video, a decluttering video every Thursday lately. And this one is going to be a random one. She's going to work on a different section than I am. I am going to be working on the dresser that's in our living room. It's like our storage dresser for like movies, video games, my Scentsy waxes, and like the kids' craft supplies and crayons and coloring books and whatnot. So I have that to work on. I am terrified because it is so bad. So bad. It is so messy and I'm really looking forward to getting it done. So I'm sorry if you hear Riley and Sean in the background. Riley really wants to come in here and play with me right now while I'm doing this intro. So I'm going to hurry off of this intro and get right to work so I can play with my little guy also. All right, guys, let's get to decluttering.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there is a place where oh, I can't get enough, get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there is a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know? Baby, there is a place where we can.
Alright, so I tried to categorize everything like the video games, the movies are more grown-ups, children's movies, Full House DVDs, Christmas DVDs, and my workout DVDs. And here I'm going to try to put as many as I can in here.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings. But now
Alright, so I'm looking at the back of this disc and I notice how incredibly scratched it is. I'm just going to throw it away.
Yes, I'm the winner of the day.
And now I'm going to tackle the kids drawer of all their crayons, their markers, their coloring books and stickers, all their crafts and little games. I'm going to tackle this now that I have tackled the video games and movie drawers. Oh my goodness, this is a horrible, horrible view on me. These stickers are so old. They're from when I was a little girl. Those are the Thai Beanie Baby stickers. All right, so here's the top drawer. I think it looks so much better. It has the video game stuff and my workout DVDs on the very top. I think I have it all nice and organized, very easy to keep like this too.
You're pushing me up to the top.
All right, and this is the second drawer. It is all of my scented waxes and my Scentsy bars. I actually sell Scentsy, so that's why I have like an overabundant supply of it. All right, and this is my bottom drawer. I put all of my DVDs in this DVD holder, which is going to be really helpful, especially when we go on trips. And then I have some video games in here and then like some VHS tapes, but that's all I'm going to be keeping in this bottom drawer. I think it's so much better. All right, now here is the third drawer, and it is the kids drawer. It has all their coloring books, these building things I get from like Wendy's for them. They like to build stuff, so this came with their kids meals and some stickers down there too, and their box of crayons, and then some like crafting stuff, and then their little games that can fit in here, and then 2 big bags of like extra markers and crayons and like some other things in there, and the Seahawks bag, of course. I think this looks so much better and way easier to adjust to, way easier to use, and the kids will love it. All right, so this bag is full of garbage. These are like the disc cases and papers and anything else I could just throw away that were in these drawers, like the craft drawer. This bag is completely full. Alright you guys, now that you've watched my video, head on over to Rachel's channel, Live Laugh Love Mommy, and see what she did. I will have her linked in my description box below. And like always, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I need more friends, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye now.